Namaste, my friends, and welcome to Power Up Sessions, 5-minute practices to increase your energy, focus the mind, and improve your overall productivity. Today, we're going to be doing a beautiful 5-minute meditation focused on the breath and using the sound of the breath to really help us tune our mind inside and really clarify the mind. Okay? Find your way into a comfortable seated position, sitting nice and tall. Close the eyes and start to feel the breath coming in through the nose and out through the nose. As you inhale the sound so. And as you exhale, hum. Listen to the breath, inhaling so, exhaling hum. So hum. Inhaling so, exhaling hum. Let the mind be fixated on this breath, the so hum sound of the breath. Feel the sensation of the breath as it flows in the nose, down the throat to the belly. And feel the sensation as it flows up the throat and out the nose. Let your mind be focused on the so hum with the flow of the breath. Any point the mind wanders, just bring it back. So hum, so hum. Notice as the mind tries to pull you away and come back to the breath. Come back to the mantra. So on the inhalation, hum on the exhalation. And sitting with the eyes closed, tension turned inside, noticing the overall effect of this meditation on your mind and your energy. Take a moment to tell yourself, thank you. Thank you for this moment of quiet. Beautiful. Thank you so much for joining me for another Power Up session. I hope you enjoyed. If you did like the video, let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoy these 5-minute practices for increasing your productivity, I've got a full playlist of them here for you. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.